So I wanted to show you in Microsoft Teams how there's two sets of notifications where one is controlled when you, for your custom chat messages, your private messages, and you can configure how to be notified or what the sound is and all that good stuff. And by default that's turned on. But there's a separate set of notifications that is for the group chats or the Teams as it's called. And I want to show you how to configure those notifications because in Microsoft Teams the default is that those are disabled. So let me share my screen here with you, and let's take a look here under the Teams. The way that you enable this is really easy. So you want to select the team and have the group clicked on, which right now we only have one group, so by default that should be selected. And up here in the top right corner you want to click these three dots and you see channel notifications. So by default this might be off, and what you want to do, you could click all activity and anything that happens in the group you'll be notified for that activity. You could also click on custom and you'll see the options that you can configure here. Let's give it a minute to load the box here. Okay, so you can turn on, this is the default settings that you see right here. All new posts, which is like whenever somebody posts a new comment or something, that's turned off. So you might not get notified when somebody posts something new in there, or somebody sends a message, let's say, they call it a post. So you can click on this, and I would recommend you select banner and feed. You could choose only in feed if you prefer. I'm going to select banner and feed, and then I'm going to check this box, include all replies, because if you post something, you make a comment and somebody responds to it, you want to be notified of that reply as well. So mentions, that's when somebody specifically states your name and they use that little @ symbol, kind of like all the social media sites do. So that's already turned on. I'm going to leave that there, click save. And now whenever somebody makes a comment or posts something or mentions me inside of this group, I'm going to get notified about that. So you might want to turn these on, and the purpose of that is once there's other groups in here, such as North Campus, South Campus, or elementary, high school, etc., you might choose which ones you want enabled or disabled for that specific group. So that's how you turn these on and off. And you can customize those, and this is completely separate from your private messages, which are up here under chat. But this, what I just showed you, is specific for the Teams notifications. So I hope this helps a little bit, and more to come in the future.